Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 26, 2025, we're analyzing USDJPY, combining both news and chart data for a complete picture. Recent news indicates USDJPY is rebounding toward 150.50, reversing drops from Trump's tariff threats and hawkish BoJ commentary. However, global stocks dropped, and the dollar gained on the yen, creating some conflicting signals. We'll explore how these events correlate with the chart data. Let's start with the one-day chart. Looking back to late November 2023, we can see a period of significant volatility, with large swings in price. Notice the large red candle around December 7, 2023, showing a sharp decline. This may have been in anticipation of something like Fed and BoJ decisions. This period was then followed by a consolidation pattern, trading between 142 and 144 until mid-December 2023. Focusing now on the more recent data, from the beginning of 2025, we see the price has generally been in an uptrend. However, it's been a volatile year with a few steep drops. Around July 2025, there was a big drop below 158 down to 152. There is generally an upward trend though, with the price hovering mostly around 150. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart. Zooming into a small range from March 6, 2025, we can see more of the recent volatility and trading ranges. Notice all the sideways movement. This could indicate indecision in the market, perhaps related to the uncertainty surrounding tariff implementation. Back to the one-day chart, the most recent candles show the price struggling to maintain its upward momentum. We see a red candle forming, and if the candle closes red, it could be a sign of a potential reversal. Key price levels to watch include resistance around 151.80 and support around 149.30. For a bullish scenario, we'd need to see a break above 151.80, fueled perhaps by a weakening of the tariff threats. Conversely, a bearish scenario would be confirmed by a break below 149.30, potentially triggered by further hawkish BoJ comments. So, to recap, key price levels: 151.80 as resistance and 149.30 as support. If these prices are reached or breached, keep in mind the context of any related news and potential movements from the Bank of Japan or the Federal Reserve. Monitor statements from Jerome Powell and Kazuo Ueda. The likelihood of the upward or downward price trend will rely heavily on further news and events.